ones where somebody said we should use a speaker and overlay the South Park. I do that.
We could do that. We're going to do that.
I won't claim that as my original thought because it was not.
We will also not give the person that said it any credit whatsoever.
Well,
we're actually going to delete that comment.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Money Pit, and we got this thing just about ready for inspection for roadworthy certificate. And today, just a few things we can do on the hoist: bleed the brakes and just give the underneath a bit of a degrease. And we spent all morning running around getting little things like globes and the spray washer pump, things like that. The safety things that they check. We replaced the wiper blade this morning as well from Veal. Got a good price on everything. So yeah, just a quick one to get it ready on Monday morning and Saturday. So in a few days, this thing, hopefully, it's gonna get number plate.
Hold it down.
Yeah. Pump it.
Up.
Pump it.
Down.
Hold it. Alright, down. Starts looking clear. Alright, I'll go do the rear. Alright. Oh, we're just spraying some degreaser on the transmission pan and the engine pan.
Trying to get rid of the evidence.
Yeah, we've got a tub there for our backflow, whatever you call it. Just gonna let it soak in for a bit and then hit it with a high pressure washer. That's our preferred way of degreasing for the pits. There you go. That's right, get in there mate, get in there. Maybe that cross member as well for the tranny.
Yeah.
Over there, see? The back one.
Pretty clean.
Yeah. Yeah, back at the BMW Central.
Yeah.
Just trying to get this pump going. I took it apart and cleaned the hydraulic part of the pump.
Still not spinning?
Yeah, so the electrical part of the pump works. If you take the actual hydraulic pump part out, the motor spins, but then I'm not sure. There might be too much steel corrosion on this plate.
Right.
But yeah, I mean, there's two of the pumps. I'm not sure why there's two. Tank.
Sorry, what?
We couldn't figure out what there's a tank and there's two pumps. All right. So what it is, guys, right, is that you put soap in this tank, like windshield soap.
You do.
And then this goes into a pump, and there's like a mixing. That's why there's two pumps. So one pump mixes the soap in, and then the other one, they're both like squirt it. And like, and look, we've got Squirtion.
We've got Squirtion.
We've got Squirtion. Look.
Oh shit.
Ah! Get like a needle or something. I might get a needle. We'll just get a needle.
All right.
Squirtage is the right
We've
word.
got squirtage.
We've got squirtage.
I can't believe how overcomplicated that is.
Yeah, I can. Alright. And this one might be just below. Yep. I mean, it squirts.
Sure does.
Alright. Should be fine for the pit man, I guess.
Yeah, Pitman will be happy. So one actuates momentarily,
Yes, just the
and then this one's on a timer to actually pump the water around.
Yeah, so I think one starts moving the water,
Yeah,
and then the other one.
it's like almost like a momentary, like half a second.
Yeah, and then so it starts squirting soap into the tube,
Yep.
and then the other one, and then they're both kind of like.
So instead of just mixing
It's
soap,
dosing.
mixing soap into this one by itself,
No,
they gracefully gave you another
Yes.
chamber.
another chamber, and it's got two pumps, and one is a dosing pump for the soap, and one is a squirting pump for the windshield. That's the BMW 7 Series in there.
Hell yeah! Oh yeah!
Man, Constantine's just putting the last pieces of trim in. We just re-glued the ceiling and it's looking pretty good. We gave it a bit of a clean with some domestic cleaning products. And yeah, just one more little tick to get this thing over the line. And I cleaned the boot as well. And yeah, it's all looking. I gave the wheels a bit of a clean. We tidied up some vacuum lines. Just sort of put a T in here, and we're still working things out. But it is running a lot better now. Yo, what's going on,
we're
man?
Cruising in the 7 Series,
Cruising in the 733i.
living the high life.
Yeah,
733. Everything's all buttoned up.
it's all buttoned up. It's all ready for pits.
It's ready for pits.
We did the ceiling, we did the vacuum lines, we went through all the lights, the high beams were, one of the high beams was out, and reversing light. So we took care of all that, sort of like tidied up the ceiling, just got to put the light in, advanced the timing a couple of degrees, so it's just got a bit more pep now. She's good. She's loving life. She's woken up and she wants to hit the road and hit the highway. And Monday, this thing's got a date with the inspector, which is 2 days from now. And we're in sunny Hemi Hill. Yeah. Kind of like a bit of a success story, I think, today. It's taken us, like, we've done the budget. I mean, we'll leave it for another video, but it's like, you know, we're up to like $3.5 grand. There you go. There you go. Brakes work.
Stops quite nicely.
Stops good. Yeah. It has the engine idle. It's okay. I mean, there's a little bit of uneven compression in some of the cylinders, but like, we pulled this thing out of a farm. Like, come on.
Yes. What do you want from us?
We towed this thing on the trailer from a farm.
It's running and driving.
Yeah, it was like Albany. It was like 5. It took us all day to get this thing. It was like, well, I don't want to say it was a piece when we got it. There was just nothing really good about it. It was nothing. Right. It was running. Had a whole heap of issues, and you know, when we spent some money on this thing to get it to where it is.
Yeah.
You know, here we are.
That's right.
Did the exhaust, did the injectors. What else did we do?
Windows.
Windows, yeah. Oh, 2 episodes on the windows. Geez.
Yeah, Windows was epic. Okay.
New brakes, rotors.
New
in
brake
front.
rotors. It's like we're up like 3.5/4 grand mark at this point with this car,
Yes.
including $900 we paid to buy it. So, and that's not looking that we haven't even looked at the rust. So, yeah.
But let's not focus on that, huh?
No. Alright, so again, next time, next video would be all about whether we are spending more money on it to get it through the pits, or if we're like jumping up and down
Yeah, that's right.
with joy. So, alright, guys,
We'll see what happens.
subscribe, support us.
Tune in next time.
Thank you.